In this video, I will show you how to limit quantity on products on Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here and just first preview your store. Now on the store that we have, let's try to actually check out some products. So let's try to check out this particular product right here. And as you can see, I can actually add until 100, or I can actually increase it however I want. So for example, let's put in here 150 and I can still add it to my cart just like this. So if I want to limit the number that it will be added, I can head over to my Shopify dashboard, click on my products right here, and then in here you can head over and then just try to select this. You can actually select this or edit the quantity one by one, or you can also bulk edit it by clicking on this bulk edit. Now it will open this page right here. Now on this page that we have, you can see in here the available quantity. So you can choose this in only to be 10 only. So you can choose it just like this in order to make this look just like this. So head over and see this progress. And then once you have done that, if you head over in here and refresh your site, and if you try to add in here 100, once you can see the add to cart option will not add this anymore. That is because it's not supported anymore. So in that way, we have limited the number of items that will be bought. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.